Hello everyone! Today I want to share a line from ブスに花束を April showers bring May flowers. This is a love story featuring an ugly girl. Well, I shouldn't call her ugly. She's more of a shy girl with an average appearance. And what I want to share are the lines from the main character, Tabata Hana. Hannah Tabata, who is a girl lacking in self-confidence. This is what she said. だって、私ブスだから。きっと今後上野くんは男子には他の子を探せって言われて、女子には私の方がいいよって言われるんですよ。絶対面倒になりますよ。But before my explanation, we need to learn the grammar. だって、This indicates that although it might be difficult for others to accept or understand, but it is very sufficient reason for speaker. The speaker is emphasizing the validity of that reason, no matter how unreasonable it might sound to others. It makes perfect sense to the speaker. Let's see from the example. だって、私ブスだから。Why wouldn't she accept a handsome boy? Because she thinks she's very ugly, even though others might find this reason is hard to understand. But for her, it's a very valid reason. There is no better excuse for rejecting than this. So I would translate it as, well, you see, because... Let's see more example. なぜいつもどこでもうんこするんだよ。Why do you always poop everywhere? だって、鳥だから。Well, you see, because I'm a bird. Who is a bird might be an unreasonable reason for humans, but for the speaker, it's a valid excuse. It makes perfect sense for him to do that. Okay, now let's break down the sentence. だって、well, for me, this reason is sufficient. There is no better excuse. 私 means I. ブス ugly girl. From an academic perspective, you should learn this word, but it should never be used to insult someone. Okay? You should learn this word, but you should never use this word. And だ SMR. から because. This is used with だって to emphasize the validity of that reason. So the first sentence is, you see, it's because I'm ugly, which makes me hesitate to get close to you, or even have rejected you. And then きっと it indicates 100 assurance. Certainly, or definitely. 今後 from now on, in the future. 上野くん this is a familiar way to refer to the boy she has a crush on. 上野陽介。男子には this need needs to be explained together with the following verb. 言われて Let's focus on the 言われて first. 言われて This is the past voice, 受け身形 of 言います and 言ってけ 言います means to say, to speak, to call. 受け身形 indicates that he is being told, he is being said, he is being asked. And てけ means and then. So combined with 男子に this need tells you that he is told by other boys. Ni means by. And then the phrase te is a colloquial form of to, which is used to quote what someone said or someone told him to do. The phrase before te refers to what those boys would say. 他の子探せ。他の子 means other girls. 探せ is 命令形 of 探します。探します means search, look for. In this content, I would translate it as to meet or to find. And 命令形 indicates a strong tone of instructing someone to do something. So 他の子探せ means break up with her and find another one. And for the what, well, we will talk about it later. And next is 女子には again, this need should be filled together with 言われる. is also a passive voice, 受け身け, indicating being told, being asked by other girls. And て is a colloquial form of と, which is used to quote what someone said, what someone told him to do. And the phrase before て refers to what those girls would say. 私の方がいいよ。私の方が indicates a comparison between two parties, meaning I'm comparatively comparing with I am and い means better, more appropriate. よ a sentence ending particle, emphasize that I'm intentionally telling you. So 私の方がいいよ This means I'm much better than that ugly girl. Why didn't you choose me? And lastly, we feel the two wa. They are used to compare what boys would say to you versus what girls would say to you, highlighting the difference between the two. The boys will tell you that, and the girls will tell you these. ですよ. This is used to correct the other person's thoughts. Your current feeling is that it's fine to be with me, to be with this ugly girl, but I want to correct your thought. You will definitely face a lot of rumors in the future. So combine this part. The literal meaning is, we know you will definitely be told by boys, find someone else, and will be said by girls, I'm better than her in the future. But I'll translate this sentence using an active voice and a reportive tongue. We know boys will definitely ask you to break up with me and find another girlfriend. And girls will tell you that they are much better than me in the future. 絶対面倒になりますよ。絶対 absolutely, definitely. 面倒 trouble or hassle. になります means will become. And this means I will become your hassle. I will be your trouble or burden. よ this emphasizes she is intentionally telling him. So I'll translate it as I will definitely become a burden for you. So putting them all together, you see, it's because I'm ugly. How can I accept you? We know boys will definitely ask you to break up with me and find another girlfriend. And girls will tell you that they are much better than me in the future. I will definitely become a burden for you. It's a miserable story about a girl lacking self-confidence. Why can't she be a little braver? Do you understand what she said? See you next time.